welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, whichever one makes sense for you. Either way, I'm very happy that you're here. First of all, I look insane. My bags under my eyes are designer, yes, and I have breakouts going on, but it is like 9:30 at night. I'm not putting on a full face of makeup to go to bed right after this. So, immediate disclaimer, sorry I look like this, but it is what it is. You can click off if you want. Today, I'm going to be trying to do a for real silk press, like a real ass silk press, and not just straightening my hair. I'm speaking quietly because I'm at a hotel. I washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner that is given by the hotel. I'm staying at the GM in Las Vegas. Yes, I am back in Vegas. Unfortunately, yeah. I am at Vegas like at least once a year, and last year, I'm going to tag the video now, I was staying at the Venetian, and that was like so nice. It was like 10 times nicer than the GM. Anyway, I'm very, very tired. I stayed up last night before my flight until 5 in the morning watching 50 Shades of Grey, the 50 Shades of Grey trilogy, and the whole time I was laughing and giggling. So maybe that's somebody's comfort film. My comfort film is Trolls. Anywho, I'm really tired. Had like a full 8-hour travel day. I want to go to sleep so bad because it feels like 11:30, but it's actually 9:30, and I need to get my hair done before work tomorrow, which is 7:30 a.m. Not excited. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had to get a hair clip. I'm going to be following a tutorial that I found on TikTok. When I find the girly who showed the TikTok, I'll make sure to tag her down below so that you can follow her tutorial as well. But I am going to start by blowing out my hair, just using the hotel blow dryer, and then in this little travel size spray bottle I think it's the Chi heat protectant, the spray heat protectant, and then I'm also going to be using this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Weightless Silk Serum on top of that. And she said to go really slow, so I'm prepared to go super, super, super slow. And then in the meantime, I'm going to be probably watching something online. I don't know what yet. My obsession, like throughout the entire holiday season actually, was worst roommate ever and worst ex ever. If you like true crime, then you'll love it. So I'm debating on if I should go down that route of true crime or if I should just like relax for a second and do something a little bit more upbeat. I don't know. On the plane ride over, I watched Whiplash with Miles Teller, and it was fantastic. I had no idea what Whiplash was about, but definitely did a good job of, oh my god, words are not coming to me, I'm sorry. It was a good like underdog comeback story, proving the man wrong. It was really good at that. I'm gonna do like 3 pumps. I feel like that is probably too much. I'm gonna rake it all through my hair, and I have a lot of hair, so I finished a book on the way to Vegas. I finished Mad Honey by Jodi Picoult. It was so good. If you're wanting to find something new to read, I would recommend it. And I'm going to start blow drying my hair. So I'll be back.
Hi friends, it's me via voiceover, and I just have to say that blowing out my hair with a blow dryer and a paddle brush was actually the most annoying thing ever. It took me double the time than it normally does because I have one of those Revlon blow dryer brush thingamajigs. It's on the screen. I would recommend, if you have one of those, to do this step with that instead of what I am doing here, because it took an incredibly long time. It was very annoying, but alas, we got there. We finished one half. And then we went to the pressing portion of the silk press. You do have to use like very, very, very small sections. And I also used a brush every single time after I went over a pass of the hair. So yeah, on to me showing the final results.
After many, many hours We are officially done with the silk press. I'm not gonna lie, absolutely ate. I think that I did such a good job, and I think what wasn't working last time is that the flat iron wasn't hot enough. Like, your flat iron needs to be hot. I had it at 410 degrees, which is super hot, and I hope that, you know, my girls are okay, my curls. Yeah! But I'm excited because this is absolutely gonna last for such a long time. But here's the final reveal. Also, it's the next day and it's 8:43, so I have to go because work, but put on makeup so that I don't look as crazy. But this is where this video ends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.